Das geht von alleine an. Hello, good afternoon, and very welcome to this Filmmakers Live with Lucrecia Martel. This is a very moving movement for me, and these days are very moving for me because yesterday when we had the presentation of the film La Ciénaga, The Swamp, we suddenly recognized that we did this same talk 17 years ago here at the Munich Film Festival. And we haven't barely seen each other, Lucrecia and I, in all these...
We are just the same.
And we are just
No
the same.
change.
And in fact, the fact that Lucrecia was here in 2001 was thanks to a lady, which I can now welcome with us here on the podium, Ulla Rapp. Because Ulla Rapp and I saw Lucrecia's film in 2001 in Berlin, and afterwards I was Ulla's assistant at this time at Munich Film Festival. And in fact, a film that had a premiere at Berlinale cannot screen in Munich because this is a festival that only shows national screenings. But Ulla Rapp says, this is the most important film I've seen in 10 years. It doesn't matter, we show it. And that was thanks to Ulla that Lucrecia came here for the first time, and then with the programming team of Ulla Rapp and Klaus Eder and Robert Fischer, Lucrecia came here with her second film, La Niña Santa, although I think she wasn't personally here, but the film was here. Then she also made this wonderful film, The Headless Woman, La Mujer Sin Cabeza, and now this afternoon, after our talk, she will have the premiere of Sama, her last film. But I would now like to give the word to the lady who made her come for the first time, who had been founding this festival in 1983 and programming for 25 years. It's an exceptional situation because Ulla, who had founded the American Indies section at the festival, hasn't been appearing at the festival for 10 years because she stopped 25 years ago, and it is only because of Lucrecia that after 10 years she is here again. So please, Ulla, I give the word to you.
Yes, when Florian came up and said, Lucrecia is coming, please come with me to the platform, I first said, no, I can't, 10 years away, no, but then I did, of course. Because it was in 1999 that the Munich Festival arranged a platform for this arising new filmmakers from Latin America. Incredible, young, dynamic films arrived here, have we seen. And this platform was called Visiones Latinas, and it was well respected by the Munich and attended by the Munich audiences, mostly by the younger people. But it was in 2001, there was the big surprise. All of a sudden, out of nowhere, came a female Argentine filmmaker whose film, La Ciénaga, was invited directly to the very prestigious competition in Berlin, in the Berlinale. And Florian and myself, we were at the market in Berlin to look for films for our festival here. And we saw the film and we were completely blown away. It was so an incredible impression. We invited it right away, of course, to Munich. Meanwhile, it has been going around the world. And it was not only we, of course, we were delighted, it was also Pedro Almodóvar, this very well-known director from Spain, who was so impressed by this debut film that he decided to co-produce her future films. But we will talk about this later. So in Argentina, those rising filmmakers were called Los Arbeguitos. Hormiguitas, please correct me. The little ants, die kleinen Ameisen, in contrast to Los Dinos, to the more traditional filmmakers of the past. And today we are so pleased to have this filmmaker here and to welcome her in her Munich fan club.
Bueno, Ula, muchísimas gracias por aceptar esta invitación a venir acá.
Thank you so much, Ulla, for accepting the invitation to come here with me.
Estoy segura que tenés cosas mucho más divertidas para hacer hoy.
I know that you have more funny things to do than this
No.
for today.
It's our big pleasure and honor. We do this in English, and you are very welcome to join in with questions. And my first question would be, in your film La Ciénaga, you depict a family life in the northern part of Argentina, northwest part where you are born and raised, and you focus on this provincial inertia. It's the provincial society which you describe. Is there maybe a loose connection to your own family?
Sí, esa primera película está escrita con
This first film was written to continue, I think,
con las experiencias
with the experiences
propias y de amigos y anécdotas de familiares cercanos.
with the experiences of my close families.
Igual que Sama, que aunque pase en el siglo XVIII, uno construye con lo que tiene cerca.
Even as also as Sama, which seems to be a film of the 19th century, but everybody constructs things from out of what is close to him.
Porque inevitablemente es muy difícil
Because it's very difficult
tener ideas que no surjan de la experiencia inmediata, ¿no?
to have ideas that don't come out of the immediate experience.
Well, do you still have contact with these wonderful children in the first film here?
Esos Wonderful Children ahora son una mujer y un hombre.
They are naturally now a man and a woman.
El varón hizo una película, pero después creo que se dedicó a otra cosa.
The boy did a film afterwards, but then I think he started to do other things.
Y no sé qué es lo que está estudiando la chica,
I don't know
pero
what the girl is studying, but
sé que no tiene que ver directamente con el cine.
pardon?
No tiene que ver con el cine.
But she doesn't have to do with film now.
But I understand that you started to But I understand that you started to make films as a teenager already at home. Can you tell us what these films were about?
Eran unas cosas que no me animaría a llamar películas, eran unas porquerías, como unas torturas a las que
Okay, I wouldn't call these things films. It was completely stupid, silly.
ponía la cámara en la cocina y filmaba durante horas a mis hermanos haciendo los deberes, a mi mamá cocinando y las peleas de los hermanos.
I put the camera in the kitchen and then I filmed my mother cooking and my brothers and sisters discussing with each other and quarreling.
Que para mí fue muy revelador, pero la verdad que no son cosas para ningún museo. En el MoMA no se pasarían.
For me, this was very enriching, but I think we shouldn't show that in any museum.
Y después con mis hermanos varones hacíamos unas películas de vaqueros, de
And
cowboys,
then we started to do cowboy films with my brothers.
que eran spaghetti westerns. Spaghetti western sería Bergman al lado de lo que nosotros hacíamos.
But the spaghetti westerns were Bergman compared to what we did in quality.
Y bueno, pero esa fue una... Imagínense, eran los años 80, una cámara muy pesada.
But imagine, in the 1980s, a video camera was something very heavy.
Entre la cámara y el aparato que grababa había un cable muy grueso,
There
pero
was
grueso
a
así.
thick cable between the camera and the recorder.
Y en mi casa en esa época había como un cervatillo, como un deer, un ciervo pequeño,
Yeah, and there was a little deer, a
Una
little deer
corzuela.
at my house.
se llama corzuela, que se comió el cable.
And it ate the cable,
Sí, y ese cable tenía adentro como 30 cables.
and this cable had inside 30 other cables.
O sea, era muy difícil ser filmmaker.
And so it was very difficult to be a filmmaker at that time.
Pero nunca tuve mucho,
But I never had a lot of.
nunca pensé en en lo que yo filmaba como algo
I never thought that,
narrativo. Sí,
that was I was filming was something narrative.
ni tampoco,
And either
no sé, a pesar de que le prestaba mucha atención. Más bien era como que quería saber cómo funcionaba la cámara.
I wanted rather to know how the camera was working.
Pero indudablemente de ese ejercicio aprendí muchas cosas.
But without any doubt, through this exercise, I learned a lot of things.
But maybe this was a kind, the debut film was maybe a kind of sequel to these films you made as a teenager. You don't think so? They are family films.
Sí, puede ser.
Might be.
Lo que sucede es que
But what happens is that
en una familia donde hay
in a
mucha gente, una
family where there are
casa,
many people,
no existe lo privado, la idea
there
de
is
privado.
no notion of private.
Solo algunas cosas, alguna ropa puede ser privada,
Some things like some dress
Algunos
can be
regalos.
private, some gifts
que fueron hechos para el cumpleaños, pero
for your birthday gifts, for example, can be private.
después lo único privado que había era la noche para mí.
But the only private thing there was for me was the night.
Y empecé a tomar café a los 12 años
And I started to drink coffee at 12 years
para tener una vida privada.
to have a private life.
Y de esa experiencia así tan multitudinaria compartiendo el espacio con tanta gente,
And this experience, this multitudinary experience to share so much space, so little space with many people,
indudablemente uno aprende cosas acerca de los diálogos, de
makes you discover things about dialogue
cómo funciona el espacio,
and how the space works.
qué es una casa,
What is a house?
qué es un adulto, qué es
What
un
is an
niño.
adult? What is a child?
Lo que descubrí es que no hay adultos,
And then what you discover is there are no adults.
que todos los que se dicen adultos son pésimos actores.
That all of those who claim to be adults are very bad actors.
Son como niños actuando
They're like kids who act
como adultos.
like adults.
Todas esas cosas me ayudaron mucho para el cine.
And
Well-
these things helped me a lot from filmmaking.
Well, as regards location, there is one location that appears in all your first three films, mainly in the first and the second. This is a swimming pool. So I would like to know the mystery behind what the swimming pools, if there's a symbolism for you or what you want to express by this.
Sí, la verdad que yo cuando, quizás por también la época en donde yo empecé a filmar, lo que menos quería y de lo que me alejaba voluntariamente era de toda idea de simbolismo y de metáfora,
What I less wanted when I started filmmaking was the idea of symbolism and metaphors,
porque la metáfora tarde o temprano es un cliché.
because each metaphor turns out to be a cliché.
De hecho, todos los clichés fueron metáforas.
In fact, all of the clichés once were metaphors.
Entonces traté de alejarme de eso. Pero
So I started to get away from this. or
así
tried.
que digo esto porque me acuerdo cuando estrené La Ciénaga,
And I
que
remember
justo-
that when I presented for the first time La Ciénaga,
porque así como en aquella época que nos conocimos había una gran crisis en Argentina,
because when we met each other, there was a huge crisis in Argentina.
18 años después, otra vez hay una gran crisis en Argentina.
And now, 17, 18 years later, again, there's a big crisis in Argentina.
Y en el medio hubo algo que apenas no se parecía a una crisis argentina económica, ¿no?
And in the middle, there was something that barely didn't seem to be a crisis.
Pero lo que pasó allá en la época, cuando filmé La Ciénaga, es que había una escena donde había una vaca empantanada y mucha gente me preguntaba si esa vaca era la Argentina.
For example, there was a scene in La Ciénaga where you have a cow that is in a swamp and immobilized, and many people asked me if this cow was Argentina.
Y es muy difícil. Yo nunca, digamos, si uno va a hacer una película y la vaca es la Argentina, la pileta es otra cosa, la tortuga es...
So if you start to do a film and the cow means Argentina, then what is the turtle that is also in the film, and what is the swimming pool?
el pasado, no sé.
Perhaps the past, I don't
En la
know.
cuarta escena ya no sé ni qué película estoy filmando.
Pardon?
Que en la cuarta escena ya no sabría ni qué estoy
So if
filmando.
I would consider these things like this, in the fourth scene, I wouldn't really know anymore what film I was shooting.
Pero lo que sí pasa con las piletas
But
es
what happens with the pools is
que indudablemente es un espacio particular donde la desnudez está permitida y uno entra en la casa y ya esa desnudez es una incomodidad.
it is undoubtedly a space where nudity is allowed. But, when you get out of the water and enter the house, then nudity is already incommodity.
Y eso para mí no es una metáfora, sino que eso es muy revelador de cómo pensamos.
And this is not a metaphor for me, but very reveals a lot how we think.
Y después, esto me he dado cuenta con el tiempo, yo me inventé, digamos, por una ausencia de formación académica como cineasta, me inventé unas herramientas para trabajar en cine que surgen de la idea de inmersión.
And as I didn't have any formation as a filmmaker, I later found out that I developed some techniques that have to do with immersion
Y la inmersión,
tools.
digo esto porque evidentemente es una experiencia que yo la tuve en piletas de natación y en bañaderas,
And there is an experience I had in swimming pools and bathtubs.
que es estar inmerso,
And this experience is to be immersed.
que es una experiencia que tenemos cotidianamente porque
It's an experience that we all have every day.
estamos inmersos en el aire,
We are immersed in air,
pero no nos vemos a nosotros mismos como pescados.
but we don't consider ourselves to be fish.
Y en una cierta forma somos unos pescados.
And in some sense, we are fish. That's why you did a short
You
film
did
on
a short
fish,
film about fish, pescados. Yeah.
singing fish.
The Sinking Fish.
A very charming film.
Bueno, y un poco de esa idea de inmersión y de la ausencia de vacío, porque si hay algo que sucede en lo inmerso es la ausencia de vacío.
And when something happens, that in the immersion is the absence of void, of empty space.
Y eso significa que
This means that sorry,
si no hay vacío,
if there's no empty space,
ninguna cosa empieza y termina de manera determinada.
no things starts and ends in a determined way.
La ambigüedad es
The ambiguity is
constitutivo de la idea de lo inmerso.
constitutive for the idea of immersion.
Todo esto parece un poco abstracto, pero es muy práctico.
This sounds a little bit abstract, but it's very practical.
Tenemos una manera de percibir el mundo
We have a way of perceiving the world
donde separamos las cosas, el día, la noche,
Where
el
we
hombre, la mujer, el
sep-
niño, el adulto,
pair things, separate things. We say the night and the day, night and day, man and woman, day and night.
para separar cosas es necesario el vacío.
And to separate things, it is necessary to have the empty space.
Si uno pensar el mundo a partir de la idea de inmersión
If you conceive the world from the idea of immersion,
es absolutamente imposible separar las cosas.
it's absolutely impossible to separate things.
Y las cosas entonces uno las tiene que analizar como sistemas y no como cosas, como entidades sueltas.
And you have to
Analizar las cosas
and yet you have to analyze things as
como sistemas
systems.
y no como cosas sueltas.
And not as loose things, as systems and not as loose things.
Y eso que quizás parece pura teoría es
This seems
muy
but-
concreto a la hora de escribir.
This seems a pure theory, but it's very concrete when you start writing.
Es muy distinto escribir pensando que
It's very different to start writing when you think that
las palabras se refieren a cosas
the words relate to things
que están separadas de las otras,
that are separate from other things,
que escribir pensando
and thinking
que uno está refiriéndose a sistemas.
than writing and with the thought to refer to systems.
Thank you for this long, wonderful about your filmmaking. We notice in all your films a great, strong concern about class discrimination and class division in Argentina. You demonstrate, we saw various times the very arrogance of the middle class people, how they treat their indigenous servants as second class citizens. Is this the case still now? Well, your film are present films, so could you tell us about this situation? Because we notice your strong concern.
Sí, yo pienso que lamentablemente esta situación pasa ahora en todas partes.
I think that this situation, unfortunately, happens in all parts.
Hay una desgracia en nuestra especie humana que
There's a
es
disgrace in our human species
cuando una gente que tiene un cierto color y una cierta
that when
clase de pelo
a person has a certain color or a color of hair color,
somete económicamente a otra gente que tiene otro color y otra clase de pelo,
it dominates somebody who has another race and another hair color.
un montón de ideas acerca
Many ideas
de
about
un sistema de valores se organiza
value systems that is organized
que se expresa profundamente en el lenguaje
and that is profoundly expressed in language
y en todos los lenguajes, ¿no?
and
En todo
in
su
all the languages.
cuerpo, el espacio. Y es muy difícil cuando,
And it is very
esa-
difficult
cuando el poder
when the power
se ejerce
is
desde una
exercised
gente que se parece a otra gente que es distinta,
from behalf of people that is different, seems different from another people.
se naturaliza de una manera muy rápida y muy difícil de desarticular el racismo.
No entendí lo último.
Que muy rápidamente se naturaliza
And in this case, very naturally and very rapidly, this racist attitude is naturalized.
y después es muy difícil de desarticular.
And it is very difficult to disarticulate this racist structure
But
once
you
it
show
is
them,
there.
you give them a platform in your films. Just in all your films, you see them, especially in Sama, you see them always in the background. And this is, I think, very important. Do you think that they will have the chance once, those Africans and indigenous people and the native Latin people, to make films of their own? Will this?
Yo pienso, llevamos 100 y pico de años de un cine que es básicamente blanco y de clase media.
We have more than 100 years of a cinema that is basically white and middle class.
Because this has been happening in the States. The Native Americans, they make their films of their own. So I thought maybe this might be possible in Latin America too.
Yo pienso que esto inevitablemente va a suceder, primero porque es aburridísimo un mundo siempre contado por la misma gente.
Well, I think que va a suceder. It has to happen because it's very boring to have a world that is always made by the same people.
Pero va a suceder no sin mucho conflicto, digamos, con
But
mucho conflicto.
it will happen with many conflicts.
Yo en Brasil ahora tuve la oportunidad de hablar con las directoras negras y
I had the occasion to talk with black filmmaker women in Brazil.
para los directores blancos es muy difícil entender el error que estamos cometiendo cuando hacemos nuestras películas.
And for us white filmmakers, it's very difficult to understand the error we're committing when we do our films.
El lugar en el que ponemos a las personas casi como objetos, estoy diciendo una cosa muy obvia, pero
The
bueno, es así.
place where we put the people like objects, I say something very obvious, of course.
Yo, que soy muy consciente de esa pobreza
I'm very conscious of this poorness
y de esa mala educación que
This-
que también tengo,
bad education that I have.
Siempre he tratado de conocer hasta la última persona que trabaja en mi película, hasta el último de los extras.
Always try to get to know every people, even the last extras in my film personally.
Porque a mí me parece, y esta es como una idea política muy simple, muy de ama de casa,
I mean, it's something that is a very simple and house-made political view.
que si uno conoce un poco a una persona es muy difícil tratarla como objeto.
That if you know somebody a little bit, it is very difficult to treat that person as an object.
Por eso para mí las personas que trabajan... Gracias. Las personas que trabajan en casting en mis películas son personas muy especiales.
That's why the people that work in the casting of my films are very special person.
Porque es a través de ellas que yo tengo esa oportunidad de tener contacto con todos los extras de mi película.
Because it's through them that I have the occasion to have contact with all the people in all the extras also that work in my films.
Digo extras porque en una película como Sama, muchísimos indígenas y personas negros eran extras.
And I talk about extras of very small roles because if obviously in Sama there are many indigenous and many black people that have very tiny roles.
Pero ya solamente si pensamos tantas películas donde los extras son siempre personas de color, indígenas o negros, ya ahí nos damos cuenta del problema.
But if we find out that in how many films the smallest parts are always those who don't talk, those played by black or indigenous people, and if we consider this, we find out what is really the problem.
Pero ¿cómo superar esta pobreza?
But how? How get across this poorness, this poverty?
Porque no es,
How do we?
no es suficiente la buena voluntad.
It's not enough to have goodwill.
Porque aunque yo tenga mucha buena voluntad, es muy difícil ponerme en el lugar de otro.
Because even if I have a lot of goodwill, it will be very difficult for me to put myself in the place of someone else.
Y entonces la única posición política más o menos cómoda que encontré yo para poder hacer cine es ser muy crítica con la gente que sí conozco bien. Que
The only way I found out to be coherent politically was to be very critical with the people that I come out myself in my films.
pero no es por corrección política,
But it's not because of political correctness.
sino por que si no encuentro qué sentido tiene hacer un cine que convalide la realidad, que avale la realidad como está.
Because I'm not interested in doing a film that only convalidates the reality that is already there. Did I understand well?
Sí,
Yeah.
convalidar.
Yeah.
Entonces, lo que yo hice es tratar de tener una
So what I
observación aguda sobre las propias injusticias y cosas que son propias de mi clase.
So what I try to do is find out about the injustices with acutely observation of the injustices that come out of my own class.
Lo cual no significa que no haya cosas graciosas o cosas buenas. Alguna cosa buena hay. Que puede, digamos que no es que todo es malo, pero alguna cosa buena hay, pero
There are already also some funny things or good things about it, but it's not the main thing.
Well, I mentioned that Pedro Almodovar, sorry, was so impressed when he saw your first film that that he started to co-produce your future films. Isn't this wonderful? So, could you tell us a little bit about your cooperation, and does he have an influence on your film, or exercise an influence?
Para mí fue un enorme, imagínense, honor conocer un tipo que Las primeras veces que yo me acuerdo de mí misma riéndome a carcajadas en el cine fue viendo las películas de Almodóvar.
For me, this was an immense honor to know this guy, because when the first times when I remember myself laughing, laughing out loud in a screening room in a cinema was when I saw the films by Almodóvar.
Y Chus Lampreave se parecía muchísimo a mi abuela paterna.
¿Quién?
Chus Lampreave, una actriz de Pedro Almodóvar. Chus Lampreave.
Chus Lampreave was very similar to one of my grandmothers.
Entonces para mí era una cosa muy familiar.
And this was very familiar to me when I saw him.
A lo largo de nuestra vida no hemos visto pocas veces.
In our lives, we didn't see each other very often.
Pedro es como un niño malcriado que siempre habla de sus películas y te cuenta todo el tiempo sus ideas.
Pedro Almodóvar is like a bad-mannered child that always talks about himself and his ideas.
Me acuerdo una vez que estaba, la única vez que compartimos, bueno, fue muy especial, la final de España de la Copa del Mundo, en donde ganó España en su casa.
The only time I remember that we really spent a good moment together was in the moment when Spain won the championship at home.
Y a mí, que no me importa nada el fútbol, estaba en Madrid, era la final, España estaba ganando, un poco de atención quería prestarle al partido.
And I was in Spain, and it was in Spain that the match was taking place, and Spain was winning, so I wanted to give a little attention to this fact.
Y no podía porque el televisor estaba ahí y acá estaba Pedro contándome su guión.
And it was not possible because there was the TV screen and there was Pedro Almodóvar talking about his screenplay.
Él no le importa nada el fútbol.
And it didn't care care at all about football.
Creo que igual que a mí, pero bueno, era...
Me neither, but...
Así que, y cuando ganó, le digo, Pedro, vamos a la calle a ver.
And then they won. I said, "Yalla, Pedro, let's go out on the street."
No le interesaba para nada ir a festejar la Copa del Mundo.
And he was not interested at all in partying for the World Championship.
Bueno, pero las pocas veces que he compartido con él, la verdad ha sido muy divertido.
But all the times I had shared with him were very funny in any case.
You wanted to...
Well, not concerning Almodóvar. No, but I was quite interested in the difference of what Sama now means in terms of, let's say, reality observation, because your first films didn't have a real narrative linear structure. Here suddenly you start to do a film that has a kind of a plot, and it also starts to have some kind of a genre plot. It is a historical genre, and I was interested in knowing if you have had some temptations to deal with genre cinema, because I remember when we were here 17 years ago in Munich, you told me I had the idea of shooting next part of Alien in an American village, and there are no extraterrestrials at all because the Americans living in the village are the extraterrestrials. I don't know if you remember this.
Sí, todavía quisiera hacer esa versión.
I would still love to do this.
No, para mí, digamos, mi relación con el cine no tiene que ver con la cuestión argumental. A mí me parece que el argumento es una parte muy pequeña de la narrativa.
In fact, my filmmaking is not related to plot. I think that the plot is only something very unimportant inside of a film.
Casi que voy a dar esta explicación que hoy anoche hablamos con el público.
I'm going to give again an explication that I already gave yesterday when we talked with the audience in La Ciénaga.
Porque mi relación con el cine tiene que ver con la narrativa oral, con los cuentos de mi abuela, con los cuentos de mi papá, de mi mamá, con la forma de narrar oral.
My film cinema is very related to oral traditions, the stories that my grandmother, my father, my parents, my friends told me.
Las formas en que las cosas se cuentan oralmente
The form in which stories are orally told.
son muchas veces tan libres de estructuras, tan ingeniosas en estructuras narrativas,
They are sometimes so ingenious in narrative structures, these stories,
que a veces me da pena que no tengamos más en cuenta la narrativa oral para pensar el cine.
and so I find it a pity that we don't take into consideration oral traditions a little bit more to make films.
Y cuando digo tradición oral, no digo
And when I say oral tradition, I don't mean necessarily
el poeta que va en la plaza y cuenta una historia,
the poet who goes to the city square and finds a story,
sino, por ejemplo, una llamada por teléfono
but it can be a phone call.
que para mí, siempre pongo este ejemplo porque es muy claro,
I always give this example because it's very clear.
una llamada por teléfono de mi mamá, que
phone call by my
muchas veces
mother.
son muy largas,
Which can be very, very long in extent.
son muy parecidas a las estructuras de las películas, de Sama inclusive.
These phone calls are very similar to the structures of my film, even Sama.
Y es una llamada donde, digamos, si alguien llama es por algo.
If somebody calls, it is for something.
Entonces ya ahí hay una disposición de uno a escuchar.
And there is already a disposition of a person to hear.
Y entonces después mi mamá me empieza a hablar de gente que no conozco,
And then my mother starts to talk about people I don't know.
y problemas, y
and about
relaciones, y
problems
cosas,
and, all the
y,
things.
y de repente una pequeña cosa,
And then
una
a little
anécdota
other thing,
concreta,
another anecdote,
como podría ser un accidente o
something like an accident, for
una
example.
enfermedad, algo un poco
Eh,
más concreto.
An illness or something more concrete.
Y después la llamada termina.
And then the phone call is over.
Y si yo tengo que hacer el pitchear esa llamada,
And
no
if
sé,
I would have to pitch this phone call as a plot,
¿de qué se trató esa llamada?
about what is this phone
De hecho, durante la llamada yo muchas veces le digo a mi mamá, ¿pero qué querías decirme?
call? During the phone call, I already said it to my mother, but what are you going to tell? What do you want to tell me now?
Cosa que muchas veces en los Q&A he escuchado que me preguntan,
Something that in the Q&A many times people ask me,
¿qué querías decir con eso?
what do you want to tell me?
Pero, y
But-
esto aprendí bien de mi mamá,
Something I
confío
learned from my mother, I trust.
en el tiempo,
I trust in time.
porque el argumento lo que hace es organizar las ideas de una manera efectiva
Because the plot is a way of organizing ideas in an efficient way,
que al final uno tenga una revelación.
in an efficient way to have a revelation in some moment at the end.
At the end. En cambio, en este tipo de estructuras,
But in this kind of structure,
uno termina con una sensación de ambigüedad, de incomprensión o de...
you always finish in a kind of ambiguity or also incomprehension.
Pero después, y esto no sé si le pasará al público con mis películas, pero me pasa a mí con las llamadas de mi mamá,
I don't know if that happens to you as an audience with my films, but it happens to me with the phone calls of my mother.
que unos días después, no solamente que entiendo para qué me llamó,
That some days after, I don't only understand why she called me,
que es mucho más profundo que la pregunta de qué me querías decir,
which is much more profound than the question, what do you want to tell me?
y también me doy cuenta que a través de la llamada entendí un montón de cosas de mi familia,
And then I found out that through this phone call, I understood a lot of things about my family,
sobre ella, lo que le pasa,
about herself and what is happening to her.
y nada de eso fue dicho en la conversación.
And nothing of this was told in the conversation.
Y entonces, ¿cómo despreciar una estructura
So how despise a structure
tan eficiente
that is so efficient
en términos emocionales?
in emotional terms?
aunque por ahí
Although-
sea ineficiente para el mercado.
although it's inefficient from market.
Entonces, no me acuerdo cuál era la pregunta.
No, esa era la primera parte.
I hope you stick to this form of filmmaking. It's so important because people in the audiences the day before yesterday, they asked me, why does she avoid the narrative form? And
Yeah.
I just do hope that you stick to your way.
No, but my question was a little bit that I found in Sama suddenly, even if it's not a very, very linear thing, I found some narrative form and also some like genre elements. And so this is, you're getting away a little bit from a purely realistic cinema, even if it was not realistic in a traditional way that you did in your first 3 films. And so I was wondering if you had, for example, the idea of doing science fiction also to
No,
open up
sí.
to other narrative forms.
Yo, igual yo siento que mis películas son comedias que lamentablemente no se han visto de esa manera.
I think that my films are comedies, although unfortunately they have not been considered as that.
O sea, yo siento que ya el género lo hice.
Pardon?
Yo siento que el género ya lo hice.
I think that the genre was already made by me as comedy.
No, y por supuesto que me interesa mucho la ciencia ficción y el género fantástico,
And I'm
pero
also very interested in science fiction and fantastic films.
no sé si no se van a parecer mucho a las otras.
But I don't know if they will be very similar to the others.
Porque para mí las otras películas también están muy cerca del cine de terror en sus formas.
Because for me, the other films are also very close to horror films in their form.
Pero hay que, digamos, hay que tener en cuenta que en Sama está basada en un libro
But you have
que tiene su propia estructura.
to see that Sama is based in a book that has its own structure.
Y entonces esa línea argumental era necesaria para manejar ciertas cuestiones del tiempo.
And this plot line was necessary to deal with some questions of time, some important questions of time.
Sí, perdón.
Yes.
perdón.
No, continúa,
No,
por favor.
solo que es muy difícil porque cuando estamos tan acostumbrados,
We're so much used to
como decir, ¿de qué se trata la película?
ask, what is the film about?
Como, por ejemplo, si ustedes ahora van y se piden un trago o una margarita, ustedes después se preguntan qué era esa margarita.
If you order a drink, a margarita, for example, do you afterwards question what was this margarita?
Fue la experiencia de la margarita.
It was
Fue
the
la
experience
margarita,
of margarita.
fue estar sentados en un lugar,
It was-
viendo alguna cosa, conversando con alguien.
To sit in a place, to drink this drink, and to talk about something with somebody.
Y el cine es una experiencia.
And cinema is an experience.
No es una cosa. Por eso esa confusión que hay ahora que dicen, ay, no hay que spoilear la película.
No hay que.
Spoilear.
Yeah. Yeah, auseinandernehmen. I don't find the English word for it. I'm sorry. So you don't have to auseinandernehmen the film.
Porque
No, it's not this.
nadie puede spoilear una experiencia.
You can't do this with a dismember, perhaps, an experience.
A mí lo que más me gusta en el mundo es que me cuenten las películas.
What I don't like if people tell me things.
Me encanta.
What I most like
Me
is that people
encanta.
tell me
A veces
films.
prefiero que me cuenten la película
And
que
I
verla.
prefer that they tell me the films than seeing them.
Porque es esa experiencia de alguien contando una cosa que no sabemos si es la cosa.
Pardon, otra vez?
Es la experiencia de estar con alguien que te está contando algo que no sabemos si es o no es.
It is the experience of hearing somebody who tells you something which you don't know if it's this or not this. If it's that or not.
Digo esto solamente en defensa.
I'm saying that in defense,
Creo que justo no es el lugar para defender nada,
although that's not the right place to defend anything.
pero esa locura que tenemos por el argumento es una locura que es muy judeocristiana.
This obsession about the plot is something that is very Jewish Christian tradition.
Esa idea de que tenemos que llegar al final para el paraíso,
The
la
idea of-
resurrección de los justos.
That we have to go to paradise at the end for the redemption of the just.
Y solamente les digo esto que si hay algo si hay una cosa que es posible criticar de la cultura judío-cristiana
If there's something that we should criticize about the Jewish Christian culture,
es el desprecio del cuerpo.
is the despise of the body.
Y el cuerpo es el que experimenta.
And the body is what has the experiences.
Y el cuerpo lo que conoce es el presente.
And what the body knows is the present.
Y entonces entreguemos al cuerpo al cine.
So let's give our body to filmmaking, to cinema.
Are there any questions? Oh, here is
Sí. Christians? No.
the lady in the blue. The lady in the blue jacket.
I find the film amazing and disturbing at the same time. And I think part of the disturbing bit is how you use sound and strange sounds and also, the microphone, and music. Could you maybe talk a bit about which is first? Is it the sound or the picture, or how do you get along with it?
Voy a hacer mi pequeño truco malo de mago.
Pequeño truco de
Un truco que hago que es como de un mago malo
Mago.
que no sabe hacer magia.
So I'm going to show you a bad magician's thing that I
para
cannot do.
explicar eso.
A magician that doesn't know magic.
¿Mi bolso?
Where's my bag?
¿Mi teléfono?
My phone.
Aquí es.
Ah,
So bring the bag, please.
va a ser rápido, pero es muy claro, gracias.
It was like Jodorowsky who took out his tarot at the moment, I remember. Now I'm surprised. I'm curious what is this?
¿Hace falta algo caro, como un iPhone?
Something expensive like an iPhone.
Puede ser un iPhone robado.
It can be a stolen iPhone too.
Pero miren,
But look,
hace falta bajar la luz.
we need to put down the light. Könnten wir vielleicht das Licht
Ein
etwas
bisschen,
senken,
Sind wir aber neugierig.
runterfahren?
Miren, supongamos que esto es una piscina
So imagine that this is a swimming pool,
y que uno está inmerso
and that one is immersed in
en esa piscina.
this swimming pool.
Toda cosa que escuchamos de afuera de la piscina
All what we hear from outside of the swimming pool,
o alguien que salta en la piscina,
or somebody who jumps into the swimming pool,
lo escuchamos,
we hear it.
pero si cerramos los ojos también lo sentimos.
But if we close the eyes, we also feel it.
Si nosotros, el sonido para suceder, para que el sonido suceda, necesita un espacio donde desplazarse que no esté vacío.
So if sound should develop, it needs a space that is not empty, where it can develop.
Y entonces, un cine es lo mismo.
And a film cinema is the same thing.
Voy a poner una luz más fuerte.
I will put a stronger light on.
¿Qué significa que, supongamos esto,
Let's take this one, for example.
¿qué significa?
What does it mean?
Que nosotros estamos inmersos en aire y el sonido sucede porque se desplaza, la presión, el sonido son ondas mecánicas que generan diferencias de presión en el aire.
We are immersed in air, and the sound happens because there are different air pressures that are moving through the air.
Entonces, toda la historia del cine,
So all the story of history of film, of cinema,
de la crítica, y diría yo el 87% de los libros de cine,
about all the film critics and around 80% of the book on films
hablan de esta parte.
talk about this part.
Y esta parte, que
And
es
the
lo que
other
hace
part,
que el cine sea tridimensional,
which makes that the cinema is three-dimensional,
que es el sonido donde
which is
estamos
the sound
inmersos,
in which we are immersed,
que es el clima a
which is
través del cual vemos las imágenes.
the clima through which we see the images.
Esto ha sido despreciado.
That has been neglected.
o usado solamente
Or
para
only
filmar
used
lo que pasaba acá.
to film what is happening on the other
Por
side.
ejemplo, acá veo un caballo, acá escucho un caballo.
Here I see a horse and there I hear a horse.
Acá veo un auto pasando, escucho un auto pasando.
Here you see a car that passes by and here you hear a car that passes by.
Toda vez que lo que acá sucede
Every time that what happened is happening here in the glass
no se corresponde exactamente con esto,
doesn't correspond exactly to the other part, the image.
algo extraordinario nos permite ver otra cosa.
Something extraordinary makes us see something different.
Y es eso, es solamente
That is this.
es usar el sonido no para afirmar la fuerte ya referencialidad que tienen las imágenes.
Puedes repetirlo, es muy complejo.
El sonido no es
Yeah.
para afirmar,
And the sound doesn't serve to affirm the.
no para, digamos,
Para,
si yo uso el sonido no para afirmar la imagen,
yeah, it is. I don't use sound to affirm the image or to claim the image,
sino para generar una relación de ambigüedad.
but to create a relation of ambiguity between the two of them.
La idea de inmersión
The idea of immersion
me sirve para pensar muchas cosas respecto del mundo,
helps me to develop and think many things about my conception of the world,
pero una cosa muy concreta y muy técnica respecto del cine.
but something very concrete and technical concerning filmmaking about cinema
Es eso.
is this.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Siempre me siento un mago malo con eso.
That was the magician's trick.
Another question. Another question. Oh yeah.
Bad trick? No, it was
The
a
lady.
great trick. Please.
I think you have a great conscience about the image itself and how does it sense. What I would like to know is how do you transmit it to the actors?
Mira,
How do you transmit it to the actors?
los actores, igual que las personas,
Actors, just like persons,
son muy distintos cada uno.
are very different one from each other.
Quizás porque son personas.
Perhaps because they're persons.
Y entonces con cada uno es distinto.
So with each one, it's different.
Como yo no tengo una formación académica en una concepción de la actuación de una determinada manera,
As I don't have an academic formation concerning the acting,
me gusta mucho ver cuál es la que ellos tienen.
I love to see what is the conception they have.
Y entonces conversar
So to talk,
y no ensayar tanto, porque
don't
eso,
rehearse too much,
pues la peor cosa que puede pasar
because the worst thing that can happen is
a un actor y a un director es
it happened to an actor and to a director
que ya sepas qué va a pasar en la escena.
that you already know what is going to happen in the scene.
Y entonces, de alguna manera hay que, porque siempre la repetición, finalmente la repetición sucede en el cine, ¿no? Uno vuelve a repetir la acción.
Repetition always happens in cinema.
Entonces, preservar lo máximo posible ese aire fresco.
So it is important to maintain as much as possible the fresh air from the beginning.
Y lo que sí es muy importante,
And what is very important,
y yo lo recomiendo a los directores que
and that
trabajen
something I recommend to the directors,
con no actores o con niños,
that they work with non-actors or children.
es que no lean el guión.
A directores que trabajan con niños o que trabajan con
Que a los directores yo recomiendo que no les hagan leer el guión,
pero a los profesionales o solo a los que
a los no profesionales y a los niños.
It's only referred to the non-professional actors. So I recommend to directors who work with non-professional actors and children that they don't give them the screenplay to read,
Porque la palabra escrita tiene tal autoridad moral
because the written word has such a moral authority,
y desgraciadamente por la maravilla de la invención de Gutenberg es tan precisa el espacio y es tan
And even
es una constancia tan particular la de las letras.
and well, thanks to the invention of Gutenberg, let's say, there is so precise the distance between the
Letras y los
letters
espacios
and the spaces between it. It imposes so much,
y todas las letras están dichas,
and all the letters are said,
los finales, los principios,
and the beginning and the end is pronounced.
que eso es muy domina
That
después a los no actores y a los niños.
And this dominates a lot the non-professional actors and the children.
Por supuesto que siempre hay excepciones, pero
There are always exceptions, of course,
en cambio es mucho mejor decirle las cosas
and that it's much better to tell them the text,
siempre un poco distinto,
sometimes differently,
que sea difícil de memorizar la estructura, pero no el sentido.
so that it's difficult to memorize the structure, but not the sense.
Y así.
And in this way,
What are your upcoming projects? So what can we experience? What can you attend? What can we attend to experience in the future?
Bueno, yo hace 8 años que estoy trabajando en un documental
I have been working in a documentary for 8 years,
y no es que estoy filmando hace 8 años,
and it's not that I'm filming. I've been filming it for 8 years.
Sino investigando y pensando
But I have researching and thinking, been researching and thinking this film.
sobre un dirigente indígena que fue asesinado en el 2009
So it was about an indigenous activist who was killed in ¿qué year?
2009,
In 2009.
en el marco de las luchas por la tierra de
It
las
was in the
comunidades.
context of the struggles for the land.
Y el documental es sobre el pensamiento blanco
And the documentary is about the white thinking
en Latinoamérica
in Latin America.
y en una cierta relación que hay entre la propiedad de la tierra,
And a certain relation between the land property,
el lenguaje jurídico
the juridic language,
y la fotografía.
and photography.
Así que es sobre eso.
It's about this. I would have one last question from my part. I was very intrigued by when I saw your films again, that there is a great importance of religion. There's one film is even called La Niña Santa, no, the Holy Girl. But interestingly, this religion doesn't work in some sense. So there is this hope or the necessity to have religion, but the last words of La Ciénaga we saw yesterday is, I went to see the Virgin, I didn't see anything. So if religion doesn't work or is perhaps an illusion, why are you obsessed, or why are the persons in your film obsessed by religion?
Claro, muy obseso no, sino que es que yo me crié en esa educación.
I'm not obsessed, I was brought up in this tradition.
Y primero me pasó eso de que fui con mi mamá a ver la Virgen que se aparecía en un tanque de agua y no la vi.
And it happened to me personally. I went with my mother to see the Virgin that appears in a water tank, and I didn't see anything,
Pero mi mamá sí.
but my mother did.
Y entonces es muy difícil cuando mi mamá estaba llorando de la emoción de ver a la Virgen.
And it was difficult for me because my mother was crying from the emotion of seeing the Virgin.
Y me preguntó,
Y me-
¿la ves?
And she asked me, do you see it?
Y me dio tanta pena decir que no,
And I was so ashamed of saying that no.
que le dije un poco.
And so I said, no, a little bit.
Entonces mi mamá, que en medio de su emoción, medio no me creyó, me preguntó, ¿y cómo es el vestido?
And that my mother, in all of her emotions, suddenly asked, well, how is her dress?
Y no sé si saben que hay muchas clases de vestidos de la Virgen.
Because
Depende de la
they're-
invocación.
There are many kinds of dresses of the Virgin in dependence of which Virgin it is.
Y más o menos dije uno que que mi mamá no era el que veía, pero bueno, quedó como que cada quien veía su virgen.
And then I described her a dress which was different from the one she was seeing. So it was not the same, so each one saw a different virgin.
Pero lo curioso es que en esa región donde yo nací,
But the curious thing is that in the region where I was brought up,
la Virgen se aparece todo el tiempo en cualquier lado.
the Virgin appears all the time in any place.
Y la gente no cambia.
And people don't change.
Yo digo, si yo un día veo la Virgen,
And I said to myself, if one day I see the Virgin,
por supuesto que no me va a importar más el cine ni
I-
nada.
every day I won't care anymore about filmmaking.
Y yo lo que me parece increíble es
It would
que
seemed incredible to me
que la confirmación de algo tan sobrenatural no genere ningún cambio en la vida diaria.
The impressive thing for me is that the confirmation that something beyond nature, something supernatural is happening, doesn't change anything in the lives. Zwei bitte. Hier noch die zwei Fragen. Ja? Viertel nach sollten wir
Well,
aufhören.
I have a question. You talked about the Jewish Christian tradition. I wanted to know, before this Jewish Christian traditions with the human beings, they believed in gods. And the human beings sat on the fire. There was no cinema, there was no television. What were they talking about to each other? There was no plot. Were they talking about their daily experiences, the experiences of their ancestors? Of course, there was no plot. Probably they were talking about what were they talking about, to each other when they sat on the fire.
No sé, ¿usted sabe?
I don't know. Do you know?
No, I ask you because you are such a wise woman. So I thought you are yourself like a shaman, and we're sitting here and we hear you're like shaman,
Sí. Y desafortunadamente esa respuesta no la sé.
Bueno, but unfortunately, this answer I don't have it.
Lo que creo es que
What I think is, what I believe is,
lo que nos hace, lo que nos convierte en la cosa tan particular que somos,
that the thing that converts us in this special thing we are
es que
is that
hay algo que es prácticamente imposible de compartir con otros, que es lo que uno percibe.
there's something we cannot share with the others, something that you perceive but you can't share with the others.
Nadie puede estar en la piel de uno.
And nobody can be in another skin.
Quizás uno puede ponerse en los zapatos de otro,
You can put yourself in the shoes of somebody else,
pero no en la piel de otro.
but not in the skin of somebody else.
Y esa experiencia un poco de soledad,
And this experience of solitude,
eso que dicen que es un lugar común, de que uno nace solo y se muere solo,
is expressed in this common sense thing that you die alone and you're born alone and you die alone.
yo no creo exactamente en eso, pero
I don't believe precisely in that, but
esa experiencia de soledad tan propia de la existencia
this solitude experience of your existence
nos animó a todas las invenciones que hemos hecho, al
Animated
lenguaje, al cine, a la música,
to all the inventions we did, to language, to filmmaking, to music,
para poder transmitir esa cosa que es prácticamente un fracaso, porque no se puede transmitir,
transmit something
uno no
that is-
puede hacer sentir al otro lo que uno sintió.
to transmit this, which is always not working out because you can't express what you feel to another person.
Me imagino que alrededor de ese fuego primitivo, el terror de enfrentarse a un tigre de diente de sable habrá sido un motivo de conversación.
So I think in these primitive societies, the terror of facing a tiger could be the motive of conversation.
Pero lo que creo es
What I
que
believe is
el deseo
that the desire
de explicar a otros lo que sentimos
explaining to another person what we feel
nos hace inventar cualquier cosa.
makes us invent whatever. All. So last question.
was
I have a
yeah.
very normal question. What do you like most about Filmfest München and about Munich?
¿Qué te gusta
sorry.
más de Múnich y del Festival de Múnich?
A mí me fascina mucho la ciencia
I love science
y sobre todo las cosas técnicas.
and technical things.
Imagínense que acá uno puede darse un festival de detalles técnicos en Alemania.
And you can here in Germany find a festival of technical things in Germany.
En mi hotel está todo tan bien hecho.
In my hotel, everything is so well made.
Todo, la alfombra se junta con la otra alfombra, perfecto, y la otra cosa. Y eso que puede parecer capaz un chiste que no le guste a los alemanes, es tan fascinante imaginarse a alguien midiendo eso para que eso quede perfecto.
But the carpets are exactly limited. The one carpet is in the exact position to the other one. So perhaps it's a joke that many Germans wouldn't like, but que hay alguien que está midiendo las
Claro,
distancias.
todas esas cosas que uno puede reírse o parecer como un chiste sobre los alemanes son muy emocionantes.
For me, all these things that can be a joke about Germans, that there's somebody who is measuring the distance
Porque es
between the carpets.
alguien que estuvo haciendo esto, que midió, es alguien que estuvo pensando este
That
material,
somebody
el
was
otro.
measuring and calculating these things.
Y el mundo, las ciudades se vuelven infinitas,
And,
infinitas en trabajo humano, en pequeñísimo trabajo humano.
And the cities turn out to be infinite in this kind of human, que de trabajo humano, ¿cómo que trabajo? In human work, pero no te estoy entendiendo.
Que en ese trabajo de hacer una cosa u otra, de conectar esto con lo otro, esta luz con la otra,
And this combination work of details, this infinitely detailed work.
por
is-
supuesto que eso es una apreciación muy de un turista que está poco tiempo en Múnich. Me imagino que habrá unas cosas maravillosas y horrorosas que todavía no percibí.
But this is only something based on a very, very short time I passed in Munich. So I think there are many marvelous other things and many awful
Come
other
to
things
flat of
also.
some people, it won't be like that. To private
No, me imagino.
houses.
Es la visión de un turista de poco tiempo
And this is a vision of a tourist that has spent here a little time
y que está mucho en el hotel.
and who has been a lot in his hotel.
Into the park.
Go out into the park. Thank you. I think we should close here with a very interesting observation at the end. Thank you, Lucrecia. And thank you, Ulla, for sharing this table with us.